So students, today we are going to learn about types of chemical reaction. There are 5 types of chemical reaction mainly. One is combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and redox reaction. Right? Oxidation and reduction combines called redox reaction. Okay. So combination reaction is a type of reaction in which two substances or two chemicals combines together to form a new substance with new properties. I am holding this magnesium ribbon. So I am cutting a piece of magnesium ribbon and giving it for ignition. So pass it to Sarma sir. Sarma sir, please burn it. So when we are going to burn this magnesium ribbon in the presence of oxygen, the sufficient oxygen, it gets combined with the oxygen and form magnesium oxide. Okay? Right? Mg plus O2, 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. You can write down the reaction. 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. You can just see there magnesium ribbon is going to prepare for further process combustion of magnesium ribbon. It will burn with a shooting flame, dazzling light, or you can say sparkling light. Please sir, bring it here. Yes, you can observe it, the sparkling light of magnesium ribbon. It is reacting with the atmospheric oxygen and gets converted into a white ash. You can see the ash. Just give it to me. Okay, fine. Okay, turn on the fan. So you can see, come closer. You can see this. It turns into white ash. This white ash is actually magnesium oxide, right? Why you people are laughing? Yes. So now I am pouring water in it, and let's see whether this oxide combines with the water. Now MgO is formed. Jayant Tripathi, tell me the reaction. MgO plus H2O, what will be given? MgOH or MgOH whole twice. MgOH whole twice. Write down the reaction. MgO plus H2O, which gives MgOH whole twice plus yes. Now this solution we are having, I am going to pour red litmus here to show the nature of this solution. Right? The metal oxides are basic in nature. See, I am having this metal oxide solution. When I pour this red color litmus, it turns blue. So when red litmus turns blue, it means that the solution is basic in nature. Is it clear? Okay, fine. So what is combination reaction? Can anyone tell? You tell, Akshat. Combination of? What is combination reaction? Yes. Louder.
When two or more substances combine to form new substance with new property.
Very good. When two substances combine together to form new substance with new properties, that is known as combination. Very good. Now focus on another type of reaction, that is decomposition reaction. What is the meaning of decomposition? Anybody? Girls. How many girls? Jaina, what is decomposition? Huh? Decomposition is removing. Okay. Anyone else? Decomposition?
Breaking down.
I'm just asking the meaning of the word decomposition. डिकम्पोजिशन वर्ड का मतलब क्या होता है? Arey yaar, have you heard in decomposers in biology? What do decomposers do? They decompose the dead and organic matter of plants and animals, right? So what is decomposition? The complex substance is getting broken into simpler forms, into its constituents. Is it clear? So decomposition reaction is shown by Sarvaji. Can we have decomposition reaction lead nitrate? When we heat lead nitrate, see, decomposition reaction is of three types. Thermal decomposition reaction when heat is using, right? When heat is involved, then that type of reaction is known as thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal word is for heat. So lead nitrate को heat करेंगे हम, then what happens? It produces cracking sound as well as brown fume of nitrogen dioxide gas. Okay, so it is performing by this. You can see the reaction there. When you turn off this fan, only that fan. Not able to find. Right. Okay, fine. Yes. This is lead nitrate. When we heat the lead nitrate, then you can clearly see the cracking sound as well as brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide gas. Just listen the sound. Crackling sound. See. Have you listened? Yes, sir. And brown fume can be seen in the test tube. Test tube sir हमारे पास लाइएगा. See that sound? Heard? Sir, please bring. You can see brown gas in the test tube. You can see this test tube. It becomes brown in color. See, this gas is coming out. This is nitrogen dioxide, and the sound is also coming, cracking sound, right? So this is thermal decomposition reaction. Okay. Have you ever wondered why some of the solutions are kept in brown colored bottles? Some are stored in like this bottle, transparent bottle, whereas it is stored in brown bottle. This is silver nitrate solution. Likewise, silver iodide, silver bromide, silver chloride. These solutions are always kept in dark colored bottles because they show decomposition reaction in the presence of light. Okay, they undergo photolytic decomposition reaction. One decomposition reaction is thermal. Have you written down?
Yes, sir.
Thermal decomposition. Next is photolytic decomposition reaction. Suppose silver chloride is exposed to light, then it will decompose into silver and chlorine. 2Ag plus Cl2, right? 2AgCl gives 2Ag plus Cl2. Okay? That is why it is stored in dark colored bottles. Next is displacement reaction. Okay, but before displacement reaction, is there any third type of decomposition? Yes. That is electrolytic decomposition reaction. I must say, you just see the syllabus of class 8. Already you have studied chemical effects of electric current. In that you have studied about electrolytic decomposition reaction. ये देखो water है आप. Water cannot be broken down into its components by any physical means until and unless we are passing electric current through it. In the presence of electric current, it gives hydrogen and oxygen ions get separated. Is it clear? Are you getting it? Okay. So how many types of decomposition reaction are there? Can you name it? thermal decomposition, then electrolytic decomposition, then photolytic decomposition reaction. Okay. Next is displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? Okay, means yes. Displacement reaction is a reaction in which a more reactive element displaces less reactive element. For example, which reaction can be taken? You can see this reaction. We had performed it in the previous class. See, in this we were having copper sulfate solution. Then I had placed iron filings in this solution, right? Copper sulfate solution का color आपका क्या होता है? I can show you. It is blue in color, and now you can see in this test tube it becomes greenish in color. See, this is copper sulfate solution. When I had poured iron filings in this solution, it displaces copper from copper sulfate and led to the formation of iron sulfate. Okay? तो इस प्रकार की रिएक्शन जिसमें एक रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट दूसरे लेस रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट को डिस्प्लेस कर देता है, दैट इज नोन एज डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. सभी को समझ में आ रहा है? आर यू गेटिंग इट? इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए रखेंगे. ऊपर की लेयर जब ये नीचे प्रेसिपिटेट फॉर्म हो जाएगा, देन हियर यू कैन नोटिस ग्रीन कलर सब्सटेंस, दैट इज आयरन सल्फेट. Write down formula of copper sulfate, that is CuSO4.5H2O. CuSO4.5H2O. 5H2O is what? Water of crystallization. Okay? Water of crystallization is 5H2O. Not 5H2O formula, right? And what is the formula of ferrous sulfate? FeSO4.7H2O. It contains 7 water of crystallization molecules, right? Okay, next I am going to show you double displacement reaction. Okay, so here this solution is lead acetate. You can notice its color, milky white. Lead acetate. Formula क्या होगा lead acetate का? CH3COO का whole twice Pb. CH3COO whole twice Pb. When we add potassium iodide in lead acetate, then it led to the formation of what? Potassium acetate and lead iodide. Both the ions exchange themselves. This reaction is known as partner exchange reaction. तू नहीं और सही और नहीं और सही, like that. ठीक है ना? So you can see the change of in color. Okay. This led to the formation of potassium acetate. The formula of potassium acetate is CH3COOK plus PbI2 is being used. Lead iodide. Another reaction I can show you a beautiful color, that is Prussian blue color will be obtained by reacting potassium ferrocyanide with iron chloride. This is iron chloride. You can see the color of iron chloride. Which color is it? Orange, not orange, it's brownish color. Brownish. Okay? And it is greenish in color, right? So double displacement reaction I am going to show you. Here I am going to pour little amount of potassium ferrocyanide, K4FeCl whole 6. And when we add FeCl3, see the color you can get. Prussian blue color. Okay, it also shows double decomposition, double displacement reaction. Okay, other name of this reaction is partner exchange reaction. So this is the major type of chemical reaction which is there in class 10 syllabus. Another reaction is redox reaction. Okay, so what is redox reaction? Redox reaction is a reaction in which reduction and oxidation both goes simultaneously in the reaction, and you know each and every reaction is redox reaction, because somewhere any one element is reduced and any one element is oxidized. There are two types of definitions which you can understand, Leo and Judge. You know Leo, L-E-O. Just write down this formula, short form of oxidation and reduction. L-E-O, Leo. Leo means L for loss, E for electron. When there is loss of electron, then that is known as oxidation. O for oxidation. Short form हो गया आपका Leo. Leo means loss of electron, known as oxidation. Very good. And Ger, G-E-R, gain of electron is very good. Reduction. अब आपके सिलेबस में थोड़ा सिंपल वे में बताया जाए अगर, तो ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन क्या होगा? ऑक्सीडेशन इज अ टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इन विच ऑक्सीजन इज एडेड. किसी भी कंजुगेट सब्सटेंस में अगर ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो जा रहा है तो उसे हम कहेंगे ऑक्सीडेशन. और जहां पे ऑक्सीजन या तो ऐड हो या हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हो, दोनों ही कंडीशन में आप कहेंगे द सब्सटेंस इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड. इज इट क्लियर? You can write down the definition. Oxidation is a type of reaction in which whether the addition of oxygen takes place or removal of hydrogen takes place. या तो ऑक्सीजन लग जाए या हाइड्रोजन हट जाए, रिमूव हो जाए. ठीक है ना? That type of reaction is known as oxidation. And what is reduction? Reduction is a type of reaction in which removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen takes place. Just opposite. Removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen. For example, you can say CuO plus H2. कॉपर ऑक्साइड में हाइड्रोजन ऐड करें, CuO plus H2. What does it give? Cu plus H2O. In that reaction, you can take half reaction from CuO, it turns to Cu, and H2O turns to H2 turns to H2O. Easily you can notice which is oxidation, which is reduction. Thank you.